Come on, Francis!
Is it my imagination?
Let's split by pairs.
How about me? Okay. I'll go alone. The other day, I saw a wolf. If I'm right, it's a lone wolf. Can I ask you a favor? Can you show me where's the lair of that wolf?
But do you know that the wolf is so dangerous?
Well, I'm aware of that. But I believe all creatures of God should be loved.
If you really want to see that wolf, let me show you the way.